today's New Zealand market, everyone sees the same data, the same interest rates, the same property values, the same market shifts. So, why do some agents thrive while others just barely survive? Well, the answer is all in the mind. Here, let me go a little bit deeper on this. In times of sameness or rapid change, when foreign buyers enter and exit, when interest rates rise, stay static, or decrease, winning is about something other than market knowledge or sales skills. It's about mental mastery. Mindset mastery allows you to process setbacks faster. You can spot opportunities that others miss. You can build unshakable client confidence and turn market complexity into your competitive edge. Well, my one-day real estate mindset mastery workshop is designed to help you discover the power of shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. You will learn how to activate your brain's creative and problem-solving abilities to unlock new market opportunities, how to manage stress and overcome market challenges by rewiring your brain for emotional resilience. This will enable you to stay calm and decisive under pressure. In this workshop, which is neuroscience backed, we incorporate practical, brain-friendly habits that drive sustained performance. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, mastering your mindset will be a game changer for your business and your life. I invite you to visit eugenemoreau.com/mastery for more details and download the full PDF brochure and testimonial letters. The one-day Real Estate Mindset Mastery Workshop.